Right, so, after some very polite reminders from other members of the community, I've finally gotten around to doing another system test video. However, the shed is a state right now, because I'm making a level crossing barrier, and also there's loads of garden renovation going on and stuff. We're putting slate down, and we built a new decking over there, that way. And so all of that crap is still in here. There's planters. Oh, it's a state. But I can't put it off much longer, so I'm going to have to film a system test. So, as always, I'll walk you through what's changed. That's exactly the same. Beacon, fully on intelligent beacon. Gen 1195, new style, with the white glass and the square front. And this is different. Absolutely nothing in the sounder corner. We have our little fake camera still. And the reason for that is because I've actually got a sounder bass backup. But it's a squashny this time. It's a two-tone, boring squashny, but I quite like them because they do the nice, fully on sweet tone. Well, it's just a British sweep. It's the same on pretty much every sounder, really. But yeah, I quite like the tone that it does, so decided to go for that. Detectors are all the same. Series 65, Orbis multi-sensor. I'll only be able to test the smoke thing as always, because my mum would kill me if I brought the hairdryer out to the shed. And I can't be bothered with my space heater test method because it's a lot of effort getting the wire over there. So we're just going to smoke test it today. And as always, we are using really, really bad for the detectors antiperspirant spray because I care about my optical chambers. But really, if I actually got some higher quality detectors, if I got like, I'm thinking of investing in some SOC E3N Hochiki conventional detectors. I'm thinking of getting 2 of them maybe and just keeping the Apollo Orbis. And yeah, but if I got some of them, I would definitely change to a spray choice because those are actually really nice detectors and I wouldn't want to damage those. So yeah, we'll start with the panels all the same, by the way. Random Menvia key in there. Do you know what's annoying? Right, I found that Menvia key like the other day. But I bought another Menvia key. I bought one of the proper keyring ones. And then I just randomly found that. So that was really annoying. I think it needs to be like that, doesn't it? Give it a test. I don't know how loud it's going to be, so I might piss off the neighbours here. But oh well. Start with the culprit. If the key will go in. Am I doing it the wrong way like a moron? Yes, of course I am. So here we go. No, it's not too loud. Right, yeah, so that's not too loud. It's just on sort of a medium volume. In fact, it's probably not much louder than the panel buzzer. Call it a panel, it's more just a box of relays, really. That's what I like to call it. That's my brand for it. It's the JM box of relays. Yeah, now for a detector. Start over here. Actually, I'm going to see if I can reach it. I don't really want to have to climb over all this. I'm going to see if I can reach it from all the way over here. It is quite sensitive, this. So it should work. Hold on. There we go. Let's see if that'll catch it. Should do. I don't see why it wouldn't. Come on. Right, it's getting more than that, isn't it? I'll tell you what's quite worrying. It's not gone into, what's it called? Startup. Why is it not in startup is my question. Have I knocked the wire out? That's worrying. It just... Oh, it was. It is just weird. Usually when you reset it, it goes into startup because it registers a power down. But obviously I reset it really quickly. But it should be more sensitive now, so... That's a lot. That'll damage it, probably, but oh well. I bought it for like 18 quid, it doesn't really matter. Come on. Surely I'm giving it a fire's worth of smoke by now. Well, it's not exactly smoke, but you know. There we go, finally. Nothing over there, obviously. Right now, because I have no doubts that I'll reactivate immediately, I'm going to climb over all this and get the head down. Shit. Don't mind me. Just breaking everything. Oh my god, I nearly dropped it then. Shit. Okay, right. We've acquired head. That sounded really weird. Shut up, panel. Stop making fun of my struggles. Right. I wouldn't actually be surprised if I've got a bit of it in the Series 65. I can't remember if this is my older Series 65, I think it might be. Give it a spray anyway. Actually, wait. Oh, for God's sake. Well, it works. Can't reach. There we go. Right, now to take that down immediately. There we go. A little collection going here. And last but not least, the Nitan conventional detector. I actually think that this looks quite nice on the squash knee, but it doesn't really fit it because for those who haven't got a squash knee, it sort of has these little, don't know if you can see it, little nubs there, and they're supposed to sort of guide it, but because this is slightly too big, it doesn't really fit into those nubs, so it's not really the right detector for the bass sounder, but hey ho. Give it a spray anyway. The spider there, I just sprayed a spider, that was hilarious. Alright. Yeah, I can't be bothered with the alarm, so I just silenced it. But yeah, that looks quite nice. Tell you what, I'll silence it. Just so you can see the strobe. It's a really nice strobe, really bright. Come on. Oh, this one's really stiff. You can see all the wiring in there. Yeah, so I basically rewired this detector because I had to take it all down to get the bass sounder underneath. And I must say, these are the most pain in the arse bass sounders to fit. This will be staying here for now, because it's such a pain in the arse to fit. Right. Shut that up. I haven't got a panel silence switch on here, so I just have to deal with the buzzer. But it doesn't really matter. Right, so hope you enjoyed that test of my system. Really hard to make because there's nowhere to stand, but it doesn't matter. Goodbye.